Hey y'all, welcome back to Khamauri's YouTube channel. And today we're exploring the mall. Oh,
y'all look, they got a whole bunch of
we're
spicy
in the mall by ourselves. Well, her mom is here, but she's in the food court. And oh my god, and we're here. Look,
she's all there.
And y'all, we're finding everything in here.
That's a lot of stuff.
It's like a lot of stuff in here, so make sure you guys subscribe, comment, and like what y'all favorite part was. Yeah.
Y'all, should we sneak in the movie?
Yeah.
Y'all. Oh my god, come on.
Okay, come on.
I'm gonna do this video.
Hold on, y'all. Y'all, we were just in Maniso. And there's Body Works, there's New Square, and there's the food court, and this is Bucklebee.
So today we're in the mall, just walking around by ourselves, and we decided that we're going to the movie theater.
Yes, we about to go sneak in the movies. So surprise! I made up a whole plan and everything. And so yeah, we about to sneak in the movie theater. And we're just about to be like in there. Because you know, the movie theater and the bathroom are really close together, like right together, like right there. And we're gonna use the bathroom, and where no one's looking, we're gonna sneak into the movies. So yeah. So yeah, guys. Oh my god, y'all! I'm so excited, but I'm scared. Oh, they got Minions and Monsters play, y'all. They got the new Moana. Bro, we're missing. So y'all, we might do it a little later because we're scared. We might not do that at all because we're scared. I don't want to get in trouble. She don't want to get in trouble. So y'all, we just about to head into Build-A-Bear. But I want to get one for $15. It's so cute. Yo. Oh my god. So. Okay. Oh my god. Me too. I want to get this one. Yes, bro. It's so cute.
I know just get like a regular one.
Yes. All these from Claire's. These from Claire's. This is from Shein. Y'all should already probably have saw me wear this. Socks from Claire's.
If I ever
Shoes from JD Sports.
I'm gonna put her on these glasses, and I'm gonna get.
Oh, y'all got many phones. Not no Androids. I ain't fooling with no Androids. We are walking out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, guys, we're about to go back. Well, we're about to go Ulta. There is exotic snack bars. If you guys was able to see, they got a whole bunch of snacks in there and stuff. So yeah, we're going to Ulta Beauty. I haven't been here like so long. I remember buying Bubba from here. Oh, they got Touchland. Yes, get with it, get right. Subscribe. Get me to 100K so I can start, you know, my 100K journey. While we running to Claire's, bro, how do we miss it? Maybe because that Claire sign wasn't on it. We downstairs in the mall and we're looking for Claire's. Wait, it's right there.
Oh, that's close.
Wait, for real?
Yeah, it's close.
That is not Claire.
No, I'm saying Claire's is close. I just know.
Bruh,
Claire's is wide open.
they need to put a sign on there so we can know. Yes, fancy. This is cute. Girl, we got church on Sunday. This is the bag I want. The get our food. Oh yeah. Yo, this mall is about to close. Oh, this is cute. What? What happened?
They got the
Kids.
Toy Story shoes.
Oh. Yo. Toy Story color. What in the lily pad is this?
I know it's a lily pad.
Oh.
Yeah, I want.
Yeah, I want these. I want these for sure.
This about your
And I-
size right here.
Yeah, this is about my size right here because it's a 3. Hey, I wear 3s or 4s. 3s and 4s. Oh yeah. What, Lonnie? What in the JoJo Siwa is this?
Okay, come on, we gotta go.
Oh yeah, guys, we gotta go get our food because they said they're about to leave us. So we don't want to do that. She ain't about to throw an aqua. Coraline!
Oh my god.
Bro! He need to come on with our... Bro, we need to hurry up so we can get our squishies. Wait, what time is it? Wait, what time the mall club? Like 9. Okay, we have a little bit of time. Yo, we found squishies, dumplings, Neatos, the other thing. That is the best day ever, y'all. Oh, we're on the way to go get the squishy. Well, y'all.
I mean, they need to come on.
And we-
I'm glad I wasn't in church today.
Say hi to the birthday queen. Ew.
Crispy.
So yeah, and then I don't know.
They told me they were coming back because I asked them if they were in the mall by themselves. I know. I checked it out, Mama. I be watching these babies. Here's your bag. Take your bag.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Caught me right before I'm shutting up.
I'm about to do it. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! This is. Subscribe.